All right, let's get to the maps here as we get you out the door on this Tuesday morning. Again, no thoughts of any snow in the short term. Instead, we'll see warmer than average temperatures throughout most of the rest of the week. Hit or miss storms also possible each afternoon with rain chances on the rise, my friends, as we make our way towards the upcoming weekend. Right now at the 6 o'clock hour, the latest temperature shows the coolest air we've seen all morning long. Pretty common for us to see that around sunrise. We'll hover in the mid-50s through 7 a.m. and then jump into the 80s today with a slight chance of a thunderstorm this afternoon. And then drier air tries to punch in Wednesday. Can't rule out a few sprinkles to go with the clouds Wednesday afternoon, but chances for rain will be a little bit lower following today's rain chance at about 30%. For Pueblo, highs today will be in the 80s and 90s across the Steel City. Right now we're in the upper 50s. Officially in town will be around 91 this afternoon, and tomorrow maybe another degree or two warmer. Sunshine early with partly cloudy skies and a high of 92. High pressure is expected to bring the warmth as it sits to our south over the next 24 to 48 hours. Incoming low is tapping into some more moisture, and around these systems we get some instability. We get these little waves or ripples in the atmosphere, and that little ripple provides enough lift or instability in the atmosphere to help to get storms going. Now, storms today as they move east into the plains towards the evening hours could reach low and severe criteria. Watch out around Eads, Lamar, and Tobacco County. Some of those storms capable of hail up to about 1 inch in diameter. All right, so we know what's on the way. Let's talk timing for you on this Tuesday morning. Storms fire up in the mountains, generally staying west of I-25 through mid-afternoon. I don't think they'll reach the interstate until after about 4 o'clock. And notice how spotty to scattered they are. So rain for some, not for all. And again, the best chance of stronger storms well into the eastern counties. Rinse and repeat on Wednesday. Although the model shows maybe a little more precip than today, I think we get some drier air that combats that upper level moisture. So the model shows the potential for rain, but it doesn't account for the drier stuff at the surface. And I think rain chances will be slightly smaller tomorrow versus today. So through the midweek period, ripples of energy will continue to rotate into the state. And then on Friday, as that low gets closer, that'll allow for more instability and a better chance of some more scattered or widespread storms. Highs today in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. We'll stick with the 80s in the springs through Thursday. Chance of thunderstorms grows Friday and sticks around through Saturday with highs into the weekend into the upper 70s. Now today, if we get any rain, I think it moves in after about 3, 4 o'clock. Our best chance continues through the dinner hour. In Pueblo, temperatures here hot in the low 90s through Thursday, 80s from Friday into early next week. Canyon City, we're looking at mostly 80s over the next 7 days with overnight lows into the upper 50s and lower 60s. For Woodland Park, basically a steady supply of 70s over the next 7 days with Saturday the cool one at 68 degrees.